This is cool sunset weather in Paphos Airport. A Boeing 767 just take off for a more than 4 hour. It's cruise for 35,000 feet.
TUMJet 9969, descent for 4,000 feet, and please for contact for approach, please.
Okay, we'll do that.
A nighttime, TUMJet 9969 descent for 4,000 feet. Today is moderate breeze wind for 13 miles per hour for wind. It takes for strong wind in 25 and 48 miles per wind.
TUMJet 9969, you clear of the runway for 29. It's for 12 wind.
Roger, we all clear of runway 29.
But then,
Bank angle.
Who take it easy, don't turn more right, okay?
few seconds, overspeed will be heard.
What the overspeed? Oh, that is the traffic controller. We have an overspeed to forward.
Roger that, TUMJet 9969. You can slow down you want. The emergency services are standby.
And now less seconds a runway.
Okay, good. Oh, man.
Yeah, we can before more problem.
But then, GPWS terrain puller will be heard.
Terrain. Pull up, terrain. Pull up.
You know
terrain,
what?
terrain.
We go around.
Pull up.
He try go around, but he not pull up.
Damn it, land. Come on, land already.
Oh, this one goes.
Watch out. Thank God we up. Oh no, engine is off.
What?
No, crap.
The next day, but 52 of 254 Robloxian people on board. 52 people on board survived for the crash, but the one pilot survived. The swim for escape the crash. First officer pilot just died for drowning. 202 people have perished. Investigation will be find out why Boeing 767 have a wreckage in the crash in the Washington, D.C., and then cockpit voice recorder. But this is not real life today, it's just Roblox. Goodbye. Robloxian peoples, I'm gonna miss you for last less of 6 years.